AI is fast, it's smart, and it can give you answers in seconds. But should it replace or become your trusted financial advisor? Hi, I'm Anna Dashkevich, a certified financial planner professional and your financial advocate. AI can be a powerful tool. It can help you gather information, compare options, and organize your thoughts. But financial planning is not just about information. It's about judgment. It's about priorities. It's about understanding your family, your fears, your habits, and the trade-offs behind every major decision. AI may give you a quick answer, but it doesn't know how you feel about risk. It does not sit across from you and provide guidance when life changes. And it doesn't help you to stay calm when emotions try to take over. That is why I believe AI can support financial planning, but it should not replace trust, wisdom, and human guidance. So here's this week's money idea. Use AI to get educated, get organized, and ask better questions. But when it comes to retirement, taxes, protection, and legacy, consider whether additional guidance may be appropriate and make sure you're not solely turning over your future to a machine alone. Because good financial advice is not just about having answers. It's about having advice that aligns with your individual circumstances. If this message speaks to you, please like this episode, share it with someone you care about, and stay tuned for next week's money idea.